up? My name is Bryn, and this weekend I am sailing the Ionian Sea on a gorgeous catamaran. I love Greece. Fingers crossed we have good weather this weekend and then smooth sailing, but let me show you the catamaran because it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous living room and kitchen area, and then there are bedrooms. They all come with their own bathrooms, of course. Let me show you our bedroom. Woo! And I've been on this boat for maybe 2 minutes and I've already almost tripped like 14 times. So this is gonna be very interesting. I'm a clumsy person. Add being on water versus on flat, stable earth, we're in for a lot of bruises. I'm a very inexperienced sailor. I've only done day trips on sailboats, so I'm really excited. I love that we're using a map. That just feels so authentic, and I just love the fact that no matter what, gotta roll with the punches on this one. We're not getting any hotels, we're staying on a sailboat overnight, so it's gonna be like camping, but a little bit more luxurious. Like, I don't even know what to expect, guys. Here is our map for the weekend. So we will be sailing the North Ionian Islands, and we are currently here in Kirkira in Corfu, and we will be sailing here to Spartera, and then we'll be going down to Paxos and Antipaxos. So we got some storm clouds of ruin over there, but we are officially taking off. Definitely avoiding the storm over there and heading to clearer, more beautiful skies. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Our poor skipper Sam is getting drenched out here. It's a pretty aggressive way to start the sail, that's for sure. Pouring rain. This is Tia.
Hey everyone!
What do you think of sailing so far?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
This is the best way to see Greece by far.
You're Greek, obviously.
I am, yes.
But living in?
Living in Michigan, living in Detroit, but I don't know, after 2 weeks here I might make a big move.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You love it?
I do.
Motherland is calling.
Motherland is, I mean, how can you say no to all that?
I know, it's so beautiful. I'm obsessed.
So peaceful.
Just sailing away. I hate this hat. I actually hate this hat.
I think it's really cute.
Do you like it?
I do. It's a little floppy.
It's a little bit floppy.
Yeah.
It's definitely 100% floppy. But next up, we are docking at, I think, it's called...
I don't remember.
I can't... You should remember.
I know.
You speak the language.
Sevilla?
I think...
I don't remember.
Sofrito. And this freaking hat. Anyways. We've made it to the Blue Lagoon.
Okay, I get it. Take my money. So traffic jam, man.
It's so nice. You can put the
100% I'm coming. Just went for a beautiful swim, and I wanted to shout out this Marc Anthony Strictly Curls hair product. I have been using it all trip long, and what I've been doing is I've been getting my hair wet completely, and then I comb my hair out. I put some of the Strictly Curls cream in my hair and put it in a little braid, and honestly my curls are booming, they're banging, they're gorgeous. I'll show you guys what everything looks like when it dries, but definitely vacation hair game changer 100%. So today we are in Epirus, and it is stunning as usual. I actually loved sleeping on the boat last night because of the water. I was being rocked like a little baby, so I was slept very peacefully, and I think I got like a good 8 hours, which is awesome. But the sun was so hot yesterday. I have tanned like immensely, so I need to be very careful with the sunscreen today because I of course don't want skin damage. Drinking lots of water, and like by 11:30, 12 p.m. I'm exhausted just because it's like a full day of full sun exposure, so you have to be super careful while you're out on deck all day long. But other than that, like gorgeous views, gorgeous swimming, and I think I could do this sailing thing. It's fun. Morning, crew.
Good morning. How we doing?
Good. How are you guys?
Terrible.
Terrible, I know, right? Just awful.
Horrible place to wake up.
A special thank you goes out to our skipper, Sam, from No Stress Yachting. He took us on such a lovely trip. He took us to all the most gorgeous beaches and the best restaurants on the islands, so definitely hit up No Stress Yachting Corfu for your next trip in Greece. Next up, we're sailing to Paxos, which is this mountain right ahead of us. Can you see it? Gonna do some sunbathing.
You'll show your dead one.
Learning how to tie some ropes.
With some Bredos.
I was laying out in the sun and I got the most aggressive tan line. Like, what? Holy. So this is gonna be awkward.
Case in point, the sun out here just hits different. I was out there maybe for an hour. I put on SPF 30, and now I have a high-waisted tan line. For lunch, we stopped off on the island of Paxos to get some fresh seafood. We had octopus and calamari, and I've never seen it made before, so it was really cool to watch.
Paxos is pretty, but we are gonna move on and go to Lakka, which is apparently even more gorgeous. How is that even possible? We caught a fish! Yay! Nice one! Ωραία! Bravo!
Άρα φωτογραφία ήθελα να στείλω σε φίλους μου. Έλα, όχι γάμο.
Are we moving here forever?
I mean, I'm never going home. There's absolutely no way you can go back to normal life after this.
No, everything will be depressing when we go back home, especially the food.
Mostly the food.
And
the weather.
Yeah, we're both from cold places, so no.
I'm not.
I'm staying forever. I am going to move right here, guys. See me never or come visit me because this is gonna be my new home. It's too perfect. And this weather, this water. Unreal. And this is the view that I was blessed with this morning. This has to be the most beautiful water I've seen on this entire trip. The beauty of these caves is indescribable. Honestly, I am shook. I don't even have words. Look at this. What do you think, Sam?
Not bad, is it?
Not bad?
Not bad. It's better it wasn't sunbathing, yeah.
Oh yeah, there was apparently down here, this was a beach up until last year. There was a big, was it an earthquake?
Either earthquake or lots of rain.
That caused the rock shelf to fall.
Now it's half the beach.
Now it's an archaeological site with human remains. Holy!
Every beach we go to just keeps getting better and better. How is it even possible? Today's fresh catch of the day.
I don't want to be with you keep on deceiving.
That we have to this. We go for you.
This is Shazam straight
You would probably think you say you know I don't believe him.
I'll create it.
Yeah. You wanna cut that so we can put it in.
Caravana se può restare.
Yeah. Cut it up in little pieces.
Yannick say.
Beautiful. Captain Steve is here to save the day.
Big water.
This honestly happened in the blink of an eye. We were just sitting eating lunch and then these like indigo colored clouds started forming, and then in like 5 minutes we had to get on the water like full speed, get everything inside. It was pretty intense, but we're sailing to safety now. Did you see that lightning? Oh my god! Morning! Woke up surrounded by Listerine blue water here in the Bay of Antipaxos. One of the bays. I mean, I'm sure there's multiple because it's an island, but this one in particular is super gorgy, as usual. Views on top of views. At this point, we're just spoiled. This is our last day of sailing, so we're gonna make the most of it, of course, and go get some food and enjoy our last couple hours together. We have a long sail back to Corfu, so let's see what's next in store. Probably go and swim somewhere and just enjoy our final experience. I mean, I've absolutely loved being on the boat. I love the low maintenance living. I love just waking up and going for a dip. It is like so refreshing and beautiful, and I think it may be the best way on earth to start anyone's day off. Just try it. Loving Corfu and all the Ionian Islands, and definitely I think I could get into this sailing. A little open water swim. No big deal, but this is Prince Philip, the Queen of England's husband's house from back in the day. Just chilling up in a mountain, no big deal. Rounding up our trip with the beautiful fortress in Corfu. And we are wiped out.